Okay, everybody. Happy Sunday. I'm back out in my Nature Hike Fire Ranch today. It's raining. I don't know if you can hear the rain. But, got this little guy heating up some water for coffee. It's pretty quiet. This piece and that piece are really wet, so just trying to dry them a little bit. That guy's kind of damp. This is the second time I've had fire in this thing, so it's still a little bit of a learning curve. And of course, I decided to take it out on a super rainy day, but that's all right. Plenty far away from the wall, the back wall. I do have a fire mat coming for it just to protect the ground. And forgive me, I don't remember the name of this thing. I actually got this on Facebook Marketplace. It was never used, still in the box. So it's got 4 legs that are fully adjustable. So this thing can go, it'll stand up pretty high, or if you got uneven ground, you can extend the legs individually to make the stove level, which is pretty cool. But other than that, we will let this coffee or this water go for a little bit. Be right back.